Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the objective questions and answers of 10th class English prose. The festivals of, that is the festivals of Northeast India, published by Orissa BSc Board in the name of a book that is your Pariksha Darpan. So now we will discuss part 2. You understand? This is the book Pariksha Darpana. Part 2. Part 2, let's begin with the question number 37. Who celebrate Wangala? Tell me. A. The Garos, the Gelos, C. The tribes, D. The Nagas. Which is correct? 37.
Number 8.
Number A, that is the Geros. Next one is 38. The Wangala is known as A. Music festival, spring festival, 100 drum festival, and dance festival. Which is correct? 38. 38. Number C, that is 100 drum festival. Could understand? Yes. Okay. Next one is the Wangala is celebrated in days. A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Manipur, D. Meghalaya. Which is correct? 39.
Number D.
39. Number D.
D is correct.
Right, D is correct. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Next one is the Wangala is known as 100 drum festivals because A. The Geros worship 100 drums. B. 100 drums are beaten together. C. 100 drum is a place. D. 100 drum is their god. Which is correct? Number, this is 40.
40.
40. That is
Number
B. B. Yes. Next one is Wangala is a festival. A. Spring. B. Harvest. C. Winter. D. New Year. Is a festival of what? Tell me.
Number B. Number B.
Number
B.
B. That is which number? 41.
Yes.
41. Number B. Yes. Next one is who beat the drums during the Wangala festival in Meghalaya? A. Women. B. Men. C. Children. D. Girls. Which is correct? 42.
Number B.
Number B. That means men. Purusha lokamane. Next one is who celebrate Karachi Puja? A. The people of Nagaland. B. The people of Manipur. C. The people of Sikkim. D. The people of Meghalaya. Which is correct?
Number B.
This is number 43. Number B is correct. Okay. Next one is the Karachi Puja is held in the month of days. A. April. B. June. C. July. D. August. Which is correct?
Number C.
Number C is correct. Next one is the Karachi Puja is held in the month of A. New Agartala held in the Karachi Puja is held in A. New Agartala, B. Old Agartala, C. New Delhi, New Haveli, D. Central Haveli. Which is correct? 45. 45. That is B. Old Agartala. Right. Next one is how long Karachi Puja held? For a week, for a day, for a month, for a fortnight. Fortnight is पाखी का 15 दिन. So which is correct? 46.
Number
46. That is Number A.
Number A.
Yes. Next one is how many deities Devi are worshipped in Karachi Puja? A 12, B 13, C 14, D 15. Which is correct? Tell me. 47.
47.
C.
C.
That is C 14. Okay. Next one is the dances during Karachi Puja represent A social tradition, economic से अर्थनैतिक स्थिति, सी their food habit, डी hunting food gathering etc. Hunting food gathering etc. Which is correct?
Number D.
48. Number D. Number D is correct. Next one is the most important festival Nagaland celebrates is A Bihu, B Wangala, C Maust, D Muffin. Which is correct? 49.
Number C.
Number C is correct. Okay. Next one is 50. The most is celebrated days. A before the sowing season, after the sowing season, Buna Bodi Rutu. Manju Buna Rutu. C before harvesting, Amala Purbaru after harvesting, Amala Pori. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number B.
50. 50. That is number B. Okay. Next one is, which festival of Nagaland is named after a word of the state? A. Wangala, B. Maustu, C. Mopin, D. Hornbill. Which is correct? 51.
51.
That is D. Hornbill is a bird. Okay. Next one is the Hornbill festival of Nagaland is celebrated in A. September, B. October, C. November, D. December. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number D.
Number D is correct. Next one is 53. The hornbill. This is a hornbill. Would understand? That is a hornbill. Hornbill. That is a hornbill. Festival of Nagaland is celebrated for days. A. 7 days. 7 days. B. 9 days. C. 8 days. D. 10 days. Which is correct?
Number D.
Number D. Number D is correct. Next one is which one is India's most colorful and charming festival? A. Lusung. B. Hornbill. Hornbill. 1 minute. Let's check it. That is 54. Humbill, that is not a hornbill. Again, we shall correct them. Humbill. This is a humbill. Humbill. Right? Humbill. Here is also humbill. Right? Humbill. Humbill. Here is the humbill. Right? This is 51. Huh? Let's see what is it. Humbill, right. So that is not a humbill, that is not a hornbill, that is a humbill. So next here, here is also humbill. Okay. It's done. Shall we move to 55? What do the Nagas showcase during Hornbill Festival? Which is correct? Tell me. A. Cultural heritage of 16 tribes. B. Musical heritage. Heritage means Aitya of 16 tribes. D. Educational heritage of 16 tribes. D. Social heritage of 16. So which is correct?
Number A.
Number
A.
A. Which number? 55.
55.
That is 55 number A. Right. Next one is 56. That is 66. The main in the Nagaland in the dance during so in the dance during the festival show up during the festival. This is the festival show up. Which is correct? A. Fishing skills. B. Hunting skills. C. Wiring skills. D. Hunting and wiring skills. Which is correct? Number this is 56.
56. Number D.
Number D. Right? Number D. Next one is number 57. Days are the souls of Nag festivals. Songs and music and dances, songs and dances and days. Which is correct? 57.
Yes.
57.
Number C.
Number C is correct. (57) Next one is 58. Nagas preserve and pass down their oral history pass down कही चलती pass down their oral history through a celebration of festivals. B. Customs and traditions. C. Colorful dresses. Which is correct? This 58. Colorful
Number A.
dresses. Wait, colorful. Full dresses. Number A is correct. Which number? The 58. 58.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is men wear pinanti warrior customs Jodha Posaka in days festival of Nagaland. A. Maustu, Loshal, Horville, Losung. Which is correct?
Number 59. Number C.
Number C. This is Hornbill. Next Maustu. Number which number did I say? 59.
Number C.
Okay, 59. Which is it correct?
Number C.
Number C. Okay. 60. The festivals of Sikkim are based A. Buddhism, B. Hinduism, C. Jainism, C. Christianity. Which is correct? 60.
60.
Yeah, 60.
Number A.
60A. Next one is 61. The festivals of Sikkim are celebrated as per the days calendar. A. Buddhist, B. Hindu, C. Jain, D. Christian. Which is correct?
Number
61.
A.
Number A. Next one is Sagar Dawa is a festival of A. Nagaland, B. Manipur, C. Sikkim, D. Meghalaya. Which is correct? 62. C.
Number C.
C. Next one is which festival commemorates মানে স্মরণ করছি the birth, enlightenment, দিব্য জ্ঞান, জ্ঞানোদয় and death of Lord Buddha. A. Sagadawa. B. Losar. C. Cham. D. Lusung. Which is correct?
Number A.
This is number 63. 63 number A.
Yes.
Next one is Next one is 64. Sagadawa is celebrated on the full moon. This is the on the full moon Purnima day in Tibetan lunar Chandra. Lunar means Chandra Masa. Lunar month with Chandra Masa. Saura Masa, Chandra Masa. So lunar month is from Purnima to Purnima. Solar month, that is Saura Masa, means Sankranti to Sankranti. So during A. May and June, B. June and July, C. July and August, D. August and September. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number A.
This is 64. Number A. Number A.
A.
Okay. Next one is 65. When is Losong celebrated? A. At the beginning of the New Year, at the beginning of sowing season, at the end of the harvest. Sowing season means manji buna buna rutu. At the end of the harvesting amala and at the beginning of harvesting. So 65, which is correct? Tell me. C is correct. C is correct. Right? Okay. Next one is 66. Charm dance is performed in days. A. Sagadawa. B. Losar. C. Lusung. D. Thihar. Which is correct? 66.
Number C.
Number C is correct. Okay. Next one is archery contest is conducted in days. A. Sagadawa. B. Losar. C. Lusung. D. Tihar. Which is correct?
Number C.
Number C. Yes, number C is correct. Number C is correct. Number C is correct. Next one is which festival marks Tibetan New Year? A. Sagadawa. B. Losar. C. Lusung. D. Thihar. Which is correct?
Number B.
Number B. Right. Thank you. Yes. Next one is 69. Death festival is the festival of light, like Diwali. Which is A. Sagadawa. B. Losar. C. Lusung. D. Thihar. Which is correct?
Number D.
Number
D.
D. That is Tihar. Which number? 69. Tihar. Okay. Next one is 70. That is the festivals of North East India encourages days. A. Educational activities. B. Social activities. C. Educational and religious activities. D. Cultural and artistic activities. Which is correct?
Number
70. This is 70.
Number D.
Number D. Okay. Next one is 71. The festivals of North East India bring out the days of the people. A. Natural talent. B. Different skills. C. Religious thoughts. D. Scientific inventions. Which is correct? 71.
71. Number A.
Number A.
Not.
So with this, that is the end of today's objective question and answers. We shall discuss the long question in our next session. We shall discuss the long questions in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.